Hello everyone. This is the video about JEE Main 2020 from the chapter Binomial Theorem Part 2. So before moving further, make sure that you have watched Part 1 of this video. Link will be in the description. Let's start with the first question, which appeared in 7th January evening. And the question is, coefficient of x power 7 in 1 plus x to the power 10 plus x into 1 plus x power 9 plus x square into 1 plus x to the power 8 plus etc. x power 10 is. Now look at this expression. Even though this is a binomial expansion, this follows something else, which is the geometric progression. So given expression can be written in the form of, this is the first term, so 1 plus x power 10 into 1 minus, what is r, second term divided by first term, which is x by 1 plus x to the power n is 11, divided by 1 minus x by 1 plus x. Now, if you want to simplify this, so this will be 1 plus x whole power 10, and when you simplify this term, that will be 1 plus x whole to the power 11 minus x power 11 whole divided by 1 plus x whole to the power 11 into 1 by 1 plus x. And that simplifies to 1 plus x whole to the power 11 minus x to the power 11. Now, we want coefficient of x power 7, that is simply 11c7, which is also equal to 11c4, and when you simplify it, you get the answer as 330, which is option A. The second question which appeared in 9th January evening, and the question is, if minimum value of term free from x for x by sine theta plus 1 by x cos theta whole to the power 16 is L1 in theta belongs to pi by 8 to pi by 4, and L2 in theta belongs to pi by 16 to pi by 8. We have to find L2 by L1. Now, if you want to find the general term, what happens? Here n is 16, first term is x by sine theta, and the second term is 1 by x cos theta. So the general term is 16cr, x by sine theta to the power 16 minus r, 1 by x cos theta to the power r. So if you put r is equal to 8, we are going to get a term which is free from x. So the term will be t9, r is 8, so it is t9, and the term is 16c8. When you simplify this, we get it as 1 by sine to the power 8 theta into cos to the power 8 theta, or that is 16c8 2 power 8 by sine 2 theta whole power 8. Since we have sine theta cos theta, if you multiply it by 2, then you will get it as 2 power 8 in the numerator, and same thing, sine 2 theta to the power 8. Now, in theta belongs to pi by 8 to pi by 4, we want to find out the minimum value, and the minimum value will be at pi by 4. So when you put theta as pi by 4, we get the answer for L1 as 16c8 2 power 8. And in theta belongs to pi by 16 to pi by 8, we are going to get the minimum value at pi by 8. So when you put theta as pi by 8, we are going to get the value of L2 as 16c8 2 power 8 divided by 1 by root 2 to the power 8, or that is 16c8 2 power 8 into 2 power 4. So L2 by L1, when you divide it, we get the answer as equal to 16. Next question which appeared in 9th January evening, and the question is, if 25c0 plus 5 into 25c1 plus 9 into 25c2 etc., the last term is this one, is equal to 2 power 25 into k, then find k. Now when you observe this general pattern, we can write the expression in the form of sigma as sigma r is equal to 0 to 25 4r plus 1 into 25cr. Now if I split it, 4 will come outside. This is sigma r into 25cr plus sigma 25cr. Now that will be 4 into sigma r is equal to 1 to 25 r into, we can write 25cr as 25 by r, 24cr minus 1, plus this term is nothing but 2 power 25. We know that when you keep on giving the values for r as 0 to 25, we get 25c0 plus 25c1, etc., and that will be 2 to the power 25, and that's equal to 25 into 400, r get cancels, 24c r minus 1 plus 2 power 25, and that's equal to 100 into this term simplifies to 2 power 24 plus 2 to the power 25. So if I take 2 power 25 as common, so here when you take 2 outside, we are left out with 50. Here 1, so that is 51 into 2 to the power 25. Hence, the value of k is 51. Next question, which appeared in 9th January morning, and the question is, find the coefficient of x to the power 4 in 1 plus x square whole to the power 10. Now, the general term is given by this formula. The formula is 10 factorial by alpha factorial into beta factorial into gamma factorial into x to the power beta plus 2 gamma, such that alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to 0. Now we want coefficient of x to the power 4. That means here we want this term, that is beta plus 2 gamma, to be equal to 4. So there are chances like we can put gamma as 0, then beta will be 4 and alpha will be 6. So the term will be 10 factorial by 6 factorial into 4 factorial into 0 factorial, which simplifies to 210. And if gamma is 1, beta is 2 and alpha is 7, then the value simplifies to 360. And if gamma is 2, beta is 0 and alpha is 8, the value simplifies to 45. So add them all, we get the coefficient of x to the power 4 as equal to 615. So please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.